analysis part is already explained by the Kushal sir in last lab, right? And he already shared the time analysis C code, right, on Google Classroom, right? Have you referred that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So refer that program for time analysis, right? And perform time analysis for bubble sort, linear search, and binary search algorithm, right? Now, selection sort and insertion sorts are remaining in your theory class also, right? So we skip this true sorting algorithm right now and jump to merge sort and quick sort algorithm, right? Now, what do you mean by what is the procedure of merge sort?
Divide and conquer.
Divide and conquer, right? But if I have one number array and I want to apply the merge sort on that array, then what are the steps?
First, divide the array in two parts.
Yes,
Then
then
divide sub.
so how to divide the
Then
array into two parts?
by the index number. Divide
By
by
the,
two.
so you have to say like this: first find the midpoint of the given
Yes, ma'am.
array. Okay, then
Then
next,
divide sub array.
divide into sub arrays. Then
Divide sub arrays also. And
what?
then sort that sub arrays. Last, we get two sub arrays. Last two that we have to sort. And then step by step merge sub arrays. Then
Hmm,
merge sub arrays into main array.
okay. So let us again see the concept of merge sort. Right, consider this as an input, right? Then split the selected array, right, into two partition, right? Then again split the left sub array until you get the single elements in your array, right? Then sort the single elements and combine them. Then same for the right sub array, right? And combine them. You will get the sorted left sub array. Same for the right sub array. Right? And combine last. Compare first element of left sub array and compare the first element of right sub array. Put smallest element first, right? Then second element of left sub array will compare with the first element of right sub array, right? Like this. You will get the final sorted array. So this is your merge sort. First divide, then conquer, then combine. Right? So split first, then merge first. Right? Now this is your merge sort algorithm. Algorithm merge sort. Right? Input is array, unsorted array, right? And output is sorted array, right? Now first check if low less than high. Low is the first index element and high in point to the last index of your array, right? So if low is less than high, then divide your array into two partitions. So split the list at from the mid position, right? Low plus high divided by 2. Then recursively call the algorithm merge sort for the first sublist, right? જે આપણે left sublist માટે કર્યું ને એ, right? So for that inputs are A, low and mid, and same recursively call the merge sort array algorithm for right sub list, right? So in that, low index starts from mid plus 1 and high, right? Then after splitting the array into two partition, merging of two sublists, right? And this merge sort algorithm will recursively call until you get the single elements in your array, right? So this is your merge sort algorithm, right? Let us see the combine function. So this is your algorithm for combine function, right? Index k. So low is set to k, right? Then low I is equals to low as I index for the left subarray and j is the index for the right subarray, right? So j is equals to mid plus 1, right? Now while I value is lesser equals to mid and j lesser equals to high, right? Then you have to combine all the elements from the array, right? So for that you have to check the value of ai and aj, right? જે આપણે લાસ્ટમાં જે elements check કર્યા ને, right? First element of your left sub array and first element of your right sub array. So this logic is for that, right? So if ai is lesser equals to a of j, then if smaller element is present in left sublist, right? So left sublist નો જે element છે એ આમાં સ્ટોર કરવાનો આપણા result array માં, right? And value of I plus plus k plus plus. Now if smaller element is present in your right sublist, the right sublist no element that will be copied into your result array, right? J plus plus k plus plus, and copy the remaining element from the left sublist into your result array and copy the remaining element of right sublist from in the result array, right? So this is the combine algorithm. Right, so this is your merge sort algorithm. Merge sort algorithm માં કોઈ ને કોઈ issue છે in the mechanism of merge sort array or steps in merge sort array, how to divide, how to apply the division, then how to conquer and how to combine the element at the last?
No, ma'am.
બીજા કસાને કંઈ બોલવું નથી? Only Darshan is attending the lecture and lab. Rest of are only physically present, mentally absent, right? Sujal Patel. Sujal Patel. Unmute your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
સમજ પડી merge sort algorithm માં?
Yes, ma'am.
તમને કોઈ દિવસ કોઈ ડાઉટ જ નથી આવતો બાકીનાને? હું એટલું બધું સારું ભણાવું છું કે તમને બધી સમજ પડી જાય એવું તો નથી, રાઈટ? જ્યાં સુધી તમે કંઈ બોલશો ને ત્યાં સુધી મને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે? બીકોઝ યુ આર નોટ ફિઝિકલી પ્રેઝન્ટ હિયર ઇન ફ્રન્ટ ઓફ મી, રાઈટ? સો મને નહીં ખબર પડશે કે હું જે અહીંયાથી બોલું છું એ તમને સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી. યુ હેવ ટુ સ્પીક. ઓકે, I guess. Right? You can take the help from this PPT. I already upload this PPT on the classroom. Right? You can take the algorithm from that, right? And convert that algorithm into C program, right? And for time analysis, right? You can use the code which is shared by the Kushal sir. right? A code નો use કરીને you can find the time analysis for the merge sort algorithm. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us see the quick sort algorithm. Okay. So what is a basic idea of quick sort algorithm? Who will explain quick sort algorithm? We already
Yes, ma'am.
covered the quick sort algorithm in theory class.
May
Just wait. Falguni Tandel. Falguni, unmute your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now explain quick sort algorithm. When I asked something to you, 2, 3 students left the meeting. Falguni, explain quick sort algorithm. You already learned quick sort algorithm in your data structure subject and in ADA theory class. Right? At least some basic idea of quick sort algorithm. Give me some basic idea of quick sort algorithm. Margi Patel. Margi Patel, unmute your phone.
Ma'am, I wasn't able to attend the last lecture.
But you already
Sorry.
learned the quick sort algorithm in your data structure subject also, right?
Yes, but I don't have idea about it. I'm sorry.
Okay. Devyani. Devyani Solanki. Devyani Solanki.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Explain quick sort algorithm. Meet Kapadia. Explain quick sort algorithm. Hello. हाँ बोलो. Yes. Yes. Pivot. Pivot એટલે શું? What is pivot? Hmm. Okay. So how divide and conquer strategy used in quick sort algorithm? આપણે લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોયેલું બરાબર કે ડિવાઇડ એન્ડ કોન્કર સ્ટ્રેટેજી યુઝ કરીએ તે આપણે ક્વિક શોર્ટ અલ્ગોરિધમમાં. સો ડિવાઇડ એન્ડ કોન્કરમાં આપણે શું કરીએ? ફર્સ્ટ વી ડિવાઇડ અવર એરે ઇન્ટુ ટુ પાર્ટીશન, right, until we get the single element in array. Then we combine that all together, right? So how divide and conquer strategy used in quick sort algorithm? Kajal. Now Darshan, explain.
Yes, ma'am. In divide and conquer quick sort, ma'am.
Hmm.
First we select pivot.
Hmm.
Then we find we compare the values. If
Hmm.
we select the first index array value as the pivot, then the algorithm will start from right and moves
Hmm.
toward left.
Hmm.
If we select left as pivot, then
Hmm.
it will start from left and then
Hmm.
move towards the right.
Hmm.
Then step by step we compare pivot element,
Hmm.
the rightmost or the leftmost element with the values present in the index. If the pivot is at left and the value is less than the pivot, then we
Hmm.
swap. And
Okay.
vice versa for the right side.
Okay.
And at last, after the uh, we got mid value pivot. The
Hmm.
left side of the pivot are the small values than the pivot, and the right
Hmm.
side are the larger values from the pivot. Then we
Okay.
divide the array into two parts, left and right. Then
Hmm.
same method for the both two.
Okay. Okay. Good. Right. So let us see the quick sort algorithm. Right. Consider this example for quick sort algorithm. Right. Set value of lower bound, that is I index, right, as 0 and j index as 9, right? Select pivot as 42, right? That is your first element in array. K is equals to 0 and L is equals to 10. L is equals to j plus 1, right? Then you have to increment the value of k until the value of pivot is greater than, sorry, value of the array element is greater than the pivot value, or the index k value is greater than equals to j value, right? So here value of k is equals to 0, right? So t of k is equals to 42, right? And pivot is equals to 42, right? And value of k is equals to 0 and value of j is equals to 9, right? So you have to increment the value of k, right? Now t of k is equals to 23, which is less than the pivot value, right? So again increment the k value, right? So next is t of k value is 74, which is greater than the pivot value, right? So stop this increment, right? Then check this, that is L is equals to L minus 1 until T of L less or equals to P. Here T of L is equals to 87, so L minus minus, right? Again T of L is 99, right, which is greater than the pivot value, so again L plus plus, right? Now next T of L is equals to 36, right, which is less than the pivot value, right? So stop this decrement, right? Now next is swap the value of t of k and t of L, right? Now next repeat the same procedure for k plus plus, right, and L minus minus until you get the t of L value less than or equals to pivot value. Then swap these two elements, right? And when your value of L will become the less than K value, right? Then at the end, swap T of I value and T of L value, right? So after this procedure pivot, you will get all the smaller element in left side of the pivot and all the larger elements in the right side of the pivot, right? So next, divide your array into two partition as a left sub array and right sub array. Repeat the same procedure, right, until you get the shorted left sub array. Right, same for the right sub array. Right, repeat the same procedure until you get the final shorted array. Right, so this is the quick sort algorithm. Right, so quick sort algorithm is used to sort the sub array into ascending order. Right, now value of j minus I is sufficiently small, then insert the array into final resulted array, else call the procedure pivot, right, which we already discussed, right? Then recursively call the quick sort for left sub array and right sub array, right? And this is the procedure for the pivot. Right, so today you have to complete the C program for quick sort and merge sort, right? That is your practical number 1, right? Practical number 1 where you have total 5 sorting algorithm, right? Bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort, right? Bubble sort we already covered. Selection sort and insertion sort we will cover in next lab, right? Today we cover the merge sort and quick sort algorithm, right? So before next lab, right, you all have to submit bubble sort, in merge sort, quick sort program with output, right? And practical number 2, that is linear search and binary search algorithm, right? And also implement the time analysis for all 3 sorting algorithm and linear search and binary search algorithm, right? Time analysis part already discussed by the Kushal sir, right, and shared in on the classroom already, right? So anybody has any doubt regarding this?
મેમ પ્રેક્ટિકલ છે તે બધા વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં જ બનાવીએ ને?
Hello,
હેલો મેમ.
I can't hear you. Badal Dobaria.
હેલો મેમ.
Hello. કોઈને કશો ડાઉટ છે?
હેલો મેમ.
હા.
મેમ જે પ્રેક્ટિકલ છે તે વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં લખીએ ને?
No. You have to create the PDF file for that. Right? First write down your practical in Word, then convert it into PDF. Right? You have to upload the PDF file only. Right? You can take the help from the internet also, or you can refer the for algorithm you can refer the PPT which I already shared, right? Or either you can refer the book for algorithm, right? So here I'm sharing the link for attendance.